Once upon a time, in a lush green garden filled with vibrant flowers and towering trees, there lived a dung beetle called Bruno. Bruno was an unusual dung beetle. He had a rather inflated sense of his own importance. He viewed himself as superior to all other insects in the garden. "I am the strongest and the most significant insect here," Bruno often declared, admiring himself in the reflective surface of a dewdrop. Even the bees and butterflies, known for their beauty and hard work, couldn't escape Bruno's arrogance. They would often shake their heads and continue their work, pollinating flowers, while Bruno basked in his own self-worth. One day, as Bruno was rolling his prize dung ball, he came across a group of ants diligently working together to carry food to their nest. "Out of my way, you insignificant creatures," Bruno scoffed, pushing through their line and causing chaos among the ants. The ants, although small, were wise and paid no heed to his rudeness. Instead, they quickly regrouped and continued their task in harmony. As days went by, Bruno's arrogance grew until it reached the ears of an old wise butterfly named Luna. Luna had seen many seasons in the garden and had witnessed the rise and fall of many creatures. She decided it was time for Bruno to learn a lesson in humility. Luna fluttered down and landed gracefully on a petal near Bruno. "You believe you are the greatest, do you? Why don't you prove your worth by showing everyone what you're truly capable of?" she challenged. Bruno, eager to demonstrate his superiority, accepted the challenge without hesitation. Luna led Bruno to a distant part of the garden, a place Bruno had never ventured to before. It was darker, with twists and turns that even the bravest of insects would find daunting. Unbeknownst to Bruno, this part of the garden was enchanted. As they walked deeper, the environment began to change. The flowers seemed to whisper secrets, and the trees loomed larger and more ominous. Instead of feeling invincible, Bruno felt a twinge of doubt. Suddenly, they came upon a giant spider web. Luna, with a knowing smile, said, "If you are truly the strongest, you will find a way to get through this web." Bruno, not wanting to show any fear, charged ahead. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't break free from the sticky strands. Hours passed, and Bruno grew tired and frustrated. In his struggle, he realized that true strength wasn't about physical prowess but about wisdom and cooperation.